Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to do this little flower that I didn't use yesterday. I thought it would be a fun one to use. Usually I remove the name of the plant, but I'm thinking I want to use it this time around. And I'm gonna go again with some yellow this time, because I think it would be nice with this. So let's go for day number 5. I hope you're enjoying your month of September so far. Know that some of you guys were looking forward to September and the heat not being so warm. Even though in the month of August, honestly, like it rained so much around here that it wasn't that warm compared to what it should have been. So I'm thinking maybe I could use the book page that I had used to stamp in the past. And just use that as the base, and then put some stuff on top. So start off with this base, and then I'm thinking of something like that to remove the title. Like, I don't want to see the title. Then I could put. I didn't want to remove the name, but honestly, like it's too big and it's removing some of the other elements. Like, you're not seeing the background anymore. So I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move this a bit, I think, on the sides. Let's see if I can find a little sentiment that could be fun for this. Something not too big. Naturally. No. Maybe charm. It's kind of fun to use up these little words and not what I've been using all along, which was more like Tim Holtz sentiments. Sometimes it's nice to use stuff that I have in my stash and you know, empty some of those. I've cut down so many words, it's nice to actually use them. So charm, and thinking I do want to put a little border to this one. And then maybe I can do the same here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. So another very small little card, not very long, but that's the fun part. You don't have to spend a lot of time to do a little something creative, and I hope that this encourages you to do so, because it's fun. So love you guys. Bye.